Kitchen here, and tonight I'm going to show you how I prepare this. This is Chinese dried bean curd, or Chinese dried bean curd sticks. I know it is fujuk. I probably pronounced that completely wrong, but anyway, how we're going to prepare it. So basically what I've done here is several hours ago I soaked the bean curd in boiling water and then cut it up into small pieces this long, and then poured off that water after it got soft and rehydrated. And then what I did was I covered it, sprinkled soy sauce, some light soy all over it, some pure sesame oil. And now I'm going to fry this up with garlic and ginger. First fry the garlic and ginger in the wok over there. And then we're going to add this to it, lao ganma, preserved black beans in chili oil. And that's so we've got some shallots in here and some coriander, and that's all going to go into here once we've got this done there. All right, let's get moving. Add a good tablespoon of prickly ash, okay, into this. Szechuan peppercorns. Cover this for a while. I've poured all the liquid that was in there, and I'm just going to cover that for a bit. I'll turn that off and let that simmer in there. We're on pretty full heat. I'll turn the heat down just a tad. Steamed a handful of dried shiitake mushrooms, so I'm going to add that into the mix as well. There goes the doorbell. I'm going to add this chili, preserved black bean in chili oil. I'll show you how much. That's been boiling in there now for that 10 minutes. And this stuff is really necessary. So I'm going to use a fork in there. So this is a big heaped tablespoon. I'll do a bit more. Tablespoon and a half at least. Put the lid on that. Now I'm going to mix this around in there carefully. And you know, if you put too much water in, it'll be too wet. Whoops, that's what we don't want. Whoops. Just wash that. You don't want to be wasting the food. With some more shallots over the top of that, and I'll get some coriander and put on there as well. Go. That's the dried bean curd. That's how I prepare it. Yep. Dirty Kitchen here. Thanks for watching.